Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are still working on Project Adam. Another interior piece. We're going to be doing a... actually forgot where it's from. A hybrid racing shift knob with our hybrid racing shift boot collar. So first off, let's have a look at what our shift knob looks like. Alright, so here we have our hybrid racing shift knob. I got this box open, I still can't open it. There we go. So looks like we got our stickers and a card for install guide and other information. The most important part, our hybrid racing shift knob. So we got the logo right here, another logo on the back side, and just nice little teardrop design. So I went with the dust gray color to match the car, obviously. So let's have a look at the boot collar, and then we'll go ahead and start trying to install it. So here we have our shift boot collar. Of course it's not open. Alright, so we got hybridracing.com on there, established 2003. Have a closer look at it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first things first, we're going to be taking off our old shift knob, which, like I said previously, had been chewed on. We already got it pretty much loose, so all you want to do is take it, twist. So we're gonna twist this off, and there we go. Next, I gotta figure out how to remove this shift knob collar, which I imagine is gonna be a little harder. So we'll be right back. Alright, so we are removing the center console. I'll show you guys real quick. So take out all the screws that are mounting this and this. I'm gonna pull this out and pull this out. Like we actually got a free pen over here. So here we go. Get our whole piece out. And now we'll be able to hopefully take this shift collar knob off. Well, shift collar off. Alright, so from the looks of it, all that's really holding this on, surprisingly, is a little, well, a big road man. So we're going to take this off, and this should pop out, and it should be just the same to put the other one in, actually. So yeah, if we actually look, there's actually one right here too. Yeah. So, same concept. So, we're gonna try to take this off. Alright. Alright, so there's the OEM one out. Now to put in our new one. Alright, so got the new one on. There's that. I'm gonna go and flip this around. And there we go. Actually looking really good. So let's go ahead and put this all back on, and then we should be able to just put our new shift knob on. Alright, so I'm gonna be putting this back in. Let's see here. There we go. Alright. We'll have to figure this out. But there's that snap back in at least. Alright, so the neat thing about this is this actually snaps so you can snap this down and screw this all the way down. Alright, we're gonna screw all this back in, and then we'll put our shift knob on. Alright, let's just have one last look at our old shift knob, all chewed up, and then our new I've been racing shift knob side by side. Alright, so everything snapped back in. My nephew wants the honors of putting it on. There you go. And there we have it. Our new High Beam Racing shift knob with our High Beam Racing shift collar. Once you know pretty much the process, it's a very simple mod to do. So if you're looking for something quick and easy to do, this is something up your alley. Like I said, just a quick rundown on everything. You're gonna twist your old shift knob off, pop this and this off, snap it out, take the old shift collar off, put the new one in, and then just snap it on. So there we go, guys. Alright, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys found the video useful. Like I mentioned before, it's a really simple modification that pretty much anyone can do. Thanks to Hydra Racing for the shift knob and the shift collar. And you know how it goes. If you guys enjoy the video, drop some likes, leave some comments, and if you guys aren't subscribed yet, I don't know what you guys are doing, because you guys should be, but you know, be safe out there, and I'll see you guys on the next one.